Grok 4.3 powers OpenClaw.
Command AI.
Let's see how Grok managed to worm its way into OpenClaw. I did a bit of research before the show, and I couldn't find what it was, but I feel like Grok made a massive, entrance onto the scene with some integrations with a bunch of stuff. I think it was OpenCode. Yeah, because there was that. Let me find it. You know, the sexy avatar that Grok use for their sexy chat app. Well, it starts off down there. I think either I started off down there, my eyeballs started off down there, her legs, pin-ups and all the rest of it. But it's Dax's head, this dude with a beard. Yeah, I can't find it, unfortunately. Use Grok in OpenClaw. Use your Super Grok X Premium inside OpenClaw and open source. So I've never rated Grok for anything. Have you been using Grok for anything? Is it good? Is it fast? Is it intelligent? Is it underrated? Is it overrated? Starting today, log in and use your Super Grok or X Premium subscription inside OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an open source local first agent. I don't think you need to know, we all know what OpenClaw is. A Raspberry Pi, persistent memory across systems. OpenClaw connects with WhatsApp. If you already have a Grok Premium, yes, we get the picture. Okay, so you install it, you onboard yourself, you set the auth choice as XAI. The thing is here is that just Grok are, my thoughts are that I think Grok are trying to get out there and make a name for itself, for us to actually start becoming here we go, Hermes as well. Skills, Grok skills. Grok build better. Look at all these, like Grok connectors. This is all within the last few weeks. I don't know. I feel like they might be doing something, and maybe we need to be paying more attention to Grok. But it is Elon Musk, so here we go, OpenCode. Yeah, that's all I've got to say on that one. So yeah, let us know if you're using Grok, and get jiggy with it.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.